This cocktail is called a Golden Rooster. Now, I don't know if this drink is going to get you up in the morning, but it'll probably do a good job of putting you to bed. It involves gin, triple sec, apricot brandy, and a little dry vermouth. Let's get started. We're going to make this into a cocktail or a martini glass, which you want to have chilled, sitting off to the side. Let's get our shaker glass and fill with ice. Now, the main ingredient is gin. We're going to use 2 ounces. And let's break out our jigger here to help us with that. Jigger's got 1 ounce on one side and a ½ ounce on another. This particular jigger does anyway. They come in different sizes. And then we're going to use a ½ ounce of our other ingredients. Triple sec, which is an orange liqueur, ½ ounce there. Apricot brandy, nice little twist. Glug, 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 glug. And sticking with the martini theme, we have a little dry vermouth as well. Like so. All right. And we'll shake this up real well, get it nice and cold, and strain it into a martini glass. It's okay, just give it a little tap. Sometimes it gets stuck. This is going to be good. Dump out our ice and water. Nice cold glass. There we go. Cock-a-doodle-doo. That is one Golden Rooster right there. Enjoy.